Hey, it's Eric with HoosierCycles. Hey, I'm going to get going on this Viper. This is a 99. I've actually built one of these before for my son, probably 10 years ago. And I was just kind of funny how I found another one of these. Probably mass produced, lots of them out there. But this one actually turns out to be almost, I think, 100% original. It's pretty much identical to the one my son has. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear this thing apart, and I've got some parts coming that I'm going to be swapping out and getting this back on the road and hopefully end up in another person's hands and somebody getting to enjoy it again instead of going to the landfill. All right, so we'll get started here and start tearing it apart. We got the frame all tore down. It says a chromoly main tube, so that means the down tube, the top tube, and the seat tube are all chromoly. The rest of it's probably high tensile steel. Still got a nice dropouts, are big and fat, thick. Got the DB on the back and the diamond. The old school looking diamond cutout, a gusset with a diamond in it. It's going to clean up real nice. It's pretty dirty. Decals are in good shape. Still got a lot of life to them. The other components, the crank's a 175 armed. Pretty sure CR on there designates it's a CW. CR 175. So I'm pretty sure it's just, it's chromoly because there's a stamp right there. Chromoly, so big heavy duty. I got a new chain ring, a smaller one coming. It's red. The fork is just a high 10. It's stamped 98, and this is by I forgot who was it, Durotech. Durotech, high tensile steel. Pretty good beefy dropouts. It'll clean up nice. Seat post is an alloy. The seat is like mint. I don't see too many seats like this on a BMX bike. I don't know if anybody rode this bike. That's like unheard of, to see a seat with no gouges, tears, rips. It's like mint. The reason I took some care to take the grips off was because of that the decal, the Diamondback. Usually this is so rusted through here that you can't even see these anymore. But these are in actually real good shape. These are a high tensile. I think they're NL dated. So these are dated 98. That's dated 98. The Diacomp Bullfrog is a front. It's dated 98. Pedals are in real good shape. Steel, embossed Diamondback. So this is going to be a really nice looking bike when we get done with it. We're going to put some red brake cables on it. And chain ring's going to be red, like I said. And the rest of it's just going to keep the same. So this is what we're going to do next, is just clean this up and put it back together. Well, the Diamondback Viper cleaned up really nicely. I just cleaned it with some soap and water, and then ran this McGuire's, just a quick, like a cleaner on top of it. Little steel wool and mothers on the fork and the handlebars. Everything else is just soap and water. That's what I usually use, is a little bit of steel wool to zero with a little bit of mothers, and just break the oxidation off the aluminum and just polish it out with some soft rag. This should go back really clean and nicely. I'm just waiting on some brake cable and our housing brake cable and a chain ring, and then we'll have this back together. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Hoosier Cycles.